and welcome. Thank you for hopping over to my new YouTube channel. My name is Kari and I am a crafter, a creator. I have a background in design, and creating and crafting has become such a wonderful space for me, and I have had it on my heart to open this new YouTube channel to share with you some of the things that I have learned over time. So a little background is that I've always been crafty ever since I was young. I've always been creative. I have a background in interior design, and 3 years ago I was gifted a Cricut machine, and it has been a wonderful learning process, and I have made lots and lots of stuff since getting my Cricut Joy machine. That was the first machine that I had. So 3 years now, I have been making everything from cake toppers, shadow boxes, paper crafts, vinyl crafts, cups, coasters, you name it. I have tried it. There's still some things that I have not tried, and that is stuff that I will be doing here on my channel. But just a little introduction as to what to expect from this channel. This channel is going to be a space to share what I know, what I've learned, some of the tips and tricks that I have learned over time, and some of the things that I find that work well or don't work well, some places where you can find really nice and affordable blanks or materials to use with your Cricut machine. And it's pretty much just going to go from a beginner's type style video where you learn everything in the basics, and then goes on to show you some of the things that you can explore and that you can do with your Cricut machine, as well as different types of crafts. I am super duper excited to bring this to you and to create a space here for myself on YouTube, as well as on the little corner of the internet where I will get to crafting with you. The plan is, and the goal is, to have one video uploaded every week, regardless if it's a tutorial type video or if it's we're actually crafting. And I will be sharing where I get all my tools, all my materials, and what I started off with. Thanks so much for stopping on by. I can't wait to craft with you, and I can't wait to bring all the exciting things that I've learned over time to share with you. And if it is that you are new to crafting, welcome. If you are new to the Cricut family, welcome. It's going to be a blast. It really is. When you get into this space of crafting and, trying to explore your creativity, having others who have either done it before or a little bit ahead of you, it's always a nice place to sorry, I lost my train of thought there. I was just trying to explain that when you get into the crafting space or a creative space and there are things that you don't know, it's always great to have tutorials or people that think like you or have your same style to help guide you along the way. I know for me, I've connected to a few different crafters that I love the way they teach, I love the way they share, I love some of the things that they try to create or make, and that has helped me along my creative journey tremendously. The biggest tip that I can share with you is never try to duplicate what everybody else does. Use the things that you learn from them, the way to you cut vinyl or the way you make your designs. Use that as inspiration and guidance on how to actually use the tools, the software, and the materials, but never try to replicate everything that they have made, because no matter what you do, you can follow something that I do, you can follow something that another crafter does, but at the end of the day, it's always going to have your stamp on it and your touch and your feel, which makes it even more unique, and it is absolutely amazing. So the person you either give it to, or if you make it for your own home or for yourself or for your family, they are going to feel the pieces and the parts of you that are into the project that you make. So that's my biggest takeaway. Never go into a project thinking that you're going to make it exactly like Kari did or exactly like this one did or that one did. You're going in using the advice and the tips and the tools that they have shared or we have shared, and you make it your own. And that is going to make every single piece that you make that more special, and it's going to hold a really, really special place in your heart. So thanks so much again for your support and your love. Again, my name is Kari, and I am a crafter and a creator, and I am looking forward so much to this channel and to crafting with you. See you soon. Bye.